take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In a pro forma financial statement, which is used in financial planning models, the external financing needed line equal to what? So what's the formula for the external financing needed? Let's look at A, the change in current asset minus current liabilities. I would assume they're saying the change in both current asset and current liabilities. This is a version of the net working capital, the change in current asset and current liabilities. I would say this is not external financing needed. Current asset minus the change in current liabilities. Again, if we're asking about current asset minus current liabilities, again, this is net working capital. Remember, we're looking at the current assets. Now, the change in assets minus the change in spontaneous liabilities and equity. And the answer is yes. The change in asset, whatever asset is, if asset is 1,000 and liabilities and equity are 800, it means we are short 200. We have to come up with funding of 200 to finance the needed asset of 1,000. Remember, this is a financial model. Under the financial model, first we figure out our assets. We said they're 1,000. And when we figure out our projected liabilities and equity is 800. So when we're dealing with external financing needed, A and B are incorrect because they don't include equity, let alone they don't include long-term debt, but they don't include equity. A and B are out. C is correct so far, but let's look at D. The change in total asset minus current liabilities and equity. No, not the change in current asset. So what we're saying here is assets minus liabilities minus equity. No, that's not the formula. The formula is C. Now, if you're a finance student or studying for a certification, CMA, CPA, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself, this is what you are doing. Go a step further. Go to Farhat Lectures. Use Farhat AI to help you explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ for you. Don't shortchange yourself. Stay motivated, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.